Hello, today I'm going to show you about Huawei ilearningX. It is a very good website and portal that you can learn networking for free. You didn't listen wrongly. It's for free. So it's like CCNA, CCIE, CCNP, those kind of level. They have the relevant ones. It's like Huawei, HCIE, HCIP, equipped for the equivalents. You can just go to the browser, go to search engine and type the Huawei ilearningX, and then go inside the portal. And is this? And before using the applications, the website, web courses, and you have to register. And it's very easy. You can have a phone number internationally. It's not limited to the Chinese phone number, but also you can have the international number. Like you are in the United States, you just register with your phone number, then you can use it. And also email or stuff like that. So you can type here for if you really want to learn a Wi-Fi something. So you type wireless and search the course. You can see here the course there. Yeah. And then you can learn. HCIE, it's like CCIE level. Type in. You see here the course, full course, routing and switch. Just view course and register. You can go inside, and then you can learn it like this. Introduction to this character, MSTP, iStack, CSS for the LAN technology, and also you have ospf, those kind of contents out there. After learning it, you will have the knowledge, and there are videos, mostly English.
Right. Next, we look into the
with subtitles.
MSTP. For the MSTP, first we are going through the review of the spanning tree and the rapid 2 is purely for VLAN 2, and
So
instance number 3
so easy
is
for you
for
to learn.
all other.
Also, CIA, vlan, wlan, okay, Russian as well. You can see and check what kind of things they are. This one is not Russian, it's English. So I register, and this one is good. This course, XCIA WLAN. After learning it, you can also have a certificate, for free. So, which proves that you have already learned the course and you have the WLAN engineer HCIA level. So when you go to interview for a job, you can just print it out and also show to the interviewer, and then your opportunity to be selected will be higher. Okay, see inside the course what kind of things there are. Yeah, on the left side is like the content, showing the point by point, very clear. You can see the feature of wireless portals, capwap tunnel, what it is, what the capwap tunnel is. Let's go inside, and there are explanation with video.
Hello everyone. In the preceding course, we have and the centralized architecture of Panasonic and Siemens.
Okay, just type here everything you want: wireless, courses, XCIA level, XCIP, like CCNP. This one with course, big data development, security course also have. So some courses you will have a certificate for free as well. So I think it's very convenient, and for a network engineer, there are no more those kind of things with so great systematic organization. So I think it's very important, very convenient. Even Cisco don't have this, and or need to pay. This is totally for free. And examination and also mock exam. There are mock exam courses, mock exam, and so on. Every courses there are. You can just search the course you want. Okay. 74 pages. So there are so many courses. After learning it, you will be the expert of Huawei or even other, because networking is the similar. So after that, you can just like CCNA or CCNP level of engineer. So I hope you enjoyed this free course for your routine time to learn networking. Okay. See you guys. Just register it.